journey in architecture started as a kid, influenced by everything my older cousins liked. Movies, comic books, cartoons, video games. And what really drew me in is that each one of those mediums created a convincing reality of a different world. The tools and techniques used in each one of those mediums are what I use to create visual experiences in architecture. And it's fun. Going from sketches to 3D modeling and using photographic techniques in lighting and composition, you're starting with one thing and adding layers of information to create a convincing story in architecture. The great thing, every project is different, so I get to explore new ways to create.
Ray's able to leverage his storytelling with visuals to allow, his audience, his clients to experience something they otherwise could not.
I've learned the importance of collaboration and flexibility from Ray. Any project at whatever scale can be turned into something innovative.
One of the things that makes him most unique is that he can take an idea that you've just thought of and spoken about and transform it into a visual representation of what that idea is, and clearly communicate the idea. I think that's it.